Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Of course, yesterday's deal of the day hasn't worked. It just hit the take profit level straight away without triggering our buy area at all, not even coming near to it. These things can happen, but at least it went in the right direction, and I think this is a score to me. Anyway, guys, back to the deal of the day, which will be now on the Euro USD, which is, I think, is your favorite pair, and also I think the deal of the day is also your favorite video. It's better maybe for some of you than the weekly analysis. Anyway, let me now tell you my idea about the Euro USD, but before that, it's important to bring to your attention that today we will be having Mr. Jerome Powell testifying. Testimony, I think, is going to be happening today at 6 p.m. Dubai time, 2 p.m. GMT time. So for that, please be wise and careful to not open any trade during these news. And also, of course, I'm gonna send a warning here on the free group before this happens, because guys, I told you many times that if you want to get the updates and notifications from me directly about my YouTube signals, you have got to join this group on Telegram. It's a free, you don't have to pay a penny to join this group. As you can see, we're even sending here one free signal every day from the VIP group as well. And here also I'm sending notifications about the signals which I'm sending on YouTube. Here, for example, update AUDUSD signal from midweek analysis. Strong bearish movement has been detected. Avoid this trade. And that's exactly what happened. As you can see, those who have entered the deal of the weekly analysis or the midweek analysis on the AUDUSD have surely lost a lot of money, unlike those who are in this group, because they have received this notification and thankfully they were able to avoid this false signal. Anyway, joining this group, guys, is for your own benefits. It's up to you if you want to join it or not. Anyway, regarding the Euro USD, let me tell you my idea about the Euro USD. Actually, what happened here? Let me delete all of that. Now, regarding the Euro USD, first of all, what I will do right now, guys, is something called the magic of trend lines. And how do you do that? By simply draw here a trend line from the lower low to this highest low. What you will do next is simply drag the very same supported trend line and just place it right there at the nearest strong key supported trend line that you can see, which has also been respected over the time as a supported trend line. It became even a resistance trend line right here, as you can see, and lately became a resistance trend line number 1, resistance trend line number 2. Which means the market is most likely, guys, going to continue the fall to reach that level and respects the same level as the new supported trend line. Now, by looking at the left side as well, what we can see right here, if I'm not mistaken, a strong real level of the support, exactly right there. As you can see, this was the real level of the support. Meanwhile, here we had a fake breakout, and then the same level of a real support became right here a real resistance. Add to this, of course, that we are having here entirely broken structure for the Euro USD, which means the pair is most likely now going to continue the fall to retest the broken level of a resistance and also respects the same level of a supported trend line. Keep in mind, I'm on the daily chart. So that means if we now go to the 4-hour time frame, we can notice that the market is approaching that level. It's just going to happen after falling to another 27 pips. So therefore, I believe it's going to happen very soon. So let's now, after zooming into the 4-hour time frame, let's identify the exactly good entry level, which is going to provide it exactly right there, exactly at the nearest strong real level of a support. Check this out. Do you see, guys, this tail right here? The spin bar has appeared. Let me zoom in. This pin bar, guys, which has appeared right here, this long tail here represents actually the power of the previous resistance. It shows us that there is a strong of a pressure from the bulls right now to push the market to continue the rise, because actually the dollar is losing its strength. However, we have to keep in mind, guys, that today's Mr. Jerome Powell speech might actually make an impact on this trade. Therefore, let's be careful and wise about our deal. We don't want to trade the Euro USD while Mr. Jerome Powell is speaking. Therefore, guys, our trade is going to be opened right here after the market falls to another 23 pips. I think we can even make it lower than that, maybe. Let me just make sure. Yes, that's better to have a better entry and safer one. And however, if that happens, our take profit level will be placed right there at the nearest strong key resistance level for about, okay, that's quite a lot. Let me just make sure it's just right there for about aiming approximately, okay, 100 pips is going to be fine. Meanwhile, our stop loss is going to be almost half of that for almost 55 pips. Let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your deal of the day, my friends. Hopefully it's gonna hit our buy area, and hopefully it's gonna reverse exactly on that level, unlike what happened yesterday with the Euro NZD. And another reminder, my friends, to join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this deal, because if I have noticed any strong bearish movement right here, I will warn everyone to close the trade immediately before it hit the stop loss, to make sure that you guys gonna not lose a lot of money in this deal if it has went in the right direction. So again, joining this group is for your own benefits. Anyway, until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.